Today we are diving deep into something that might surprise you. When people hear Pascal Lota Ferry, they often think they are getting information about some fancy cruise ship sailing the Mediterranean. Well, here is the plot twist that nobody saw coming. Pascal Lota is not actually a ship at all, but rather the name of the CEO who runs Corsica Ferries, one of the most important ferry companies in the Mediterranean region. This is where things get interesting for travelers who want to explore the beautiful islands of Corsica and Sardinia without breaking the bank. Corsica Ferries operates a fleet of impressive vessels that connect mainland France and Italy to these stunning Mediterranean destinations. While these are not cruise ships in the traditional sense, they offer a unique way to travel that combines practicality with some surprisingly decent amenities. Let me tell you about what you can actually expect when you book passage on one of these ferries. The company operates modern vessels like the Mega Express series, which are far from your typical barebones ferry experience. These ships can carry over 2,500 passengers and around 400 vehicles, making them perfect for families planning road trips to the islands or solo travelers looking for an affordable Mediterranean adventure. The accommodations on these ferries will definitely surprise anyone expecting cramped conditions. You have got several options depending on your budget and comfort preferences. The standard inside cabins are compact but functional, measuring around 10 to 12 square meters. These rooms come with twin beds that can convert to a double, air conditioning, a small television, and a private bathroom with shower facilities. If you want a bit more space and natural light, the outside cabins with portholes are your next step up. These rooms are slightly larger at 12 to 14 square meters and offer those precious ocean views that make any sea journey more enjoyable. The porthole windows might be small, but there is something magical about watching the Mediterranean waters pass by from your own private space. For those willing to spend a bit more, some vessels offer limited balcony cabins and suites. The suites include a separate lounge area, which is quite impressive for ferry travel. These premium accommodations can sleep up to 4 people and provide significantly more space for families or travelers who simply want extra comfort during their overnight journey. The cabins are modern and clean, though do not expect the luxury finishes you would find on a traditional cruise ship. When it comes to dining, Corsica Ferries takes a refreshingly practical approach that still manages to be quite satisfying. The main dining option is a self-service buffet that serves Mediterranean cuisine with Italian and French influences. You will find fresh seafood, pasta dishes, salads, and regional specialties that reflect the destinations you are traveling between. There is also an à la carte restaurant on most vessels for those who want table service and more refined dining options. The menu typically features local ingredients and traditional recipes from Corsica, Sardinia, France, and Italy. Think fresh caught fish, homemade pasta, and locally sourced vegetables prepared in styles that celebrate the Mediterranean diet. Throughout the ship, you will find various cafes and snack bars perfect for grabbing a quick coffee, pastry, or light meal. The Italian coffee culture is strong on these ferries, so expect proper espresso and cappuccino that would make any Italian grandmother proud. Prices are reasonable compared to what you might pay on a cruise ship, and the quality is surprisingly good for ferry dining. The dress code is completely casual, which fits perfectly with the practical nature of ferry travel. You can enjoy your meals in comfortable clothes without worrying about formal dining requirements. Most dining areas operate on a walk-in basis, so there is no need to make reservations or worry about assigned seating times. Here is where ferry travel differs significantly from cruise ships, and honestly, it might be refreshing for some travelers. These vessels do not have swimming pools, water parks, or elaborate outdoor recreation areas. Instead, you get spacious outdoor decks that are perfect for sightseeing and enjoying the Mediterranean sunshine and sea breezes. The outdoor deck areas are actually one of the highlights of ferry travel. You can spend hours watching the coastline pass by, spotting dolphins if you are lucky, and enjoying some of the most beautiful maritime scenery in the world. The decks have plenty of seating areas where you can relax with a book or just soak up the atmosphere. During summer months, these outdoor spaces become social hubs where fellow travelers gather to share stories and enjoy the journey together. There is something wonderfully old-fashioned about this type of travel that encourages actual human interaction rather than everyone disappearing into individual entertainment bubbles. The lack of pools means you will want to pack accordingly, but many travelers find this simplicity appealing. You are not paying for amenities you might not use anyway, and the focus remains on the journey and destinations rather than onboard entertainment. Entertainment and activities on Corsica ferries are deliberately low-key, which actually works quite well for the type of travel experience they provide. You will find comfortable lounges where live music or DJ entertainment sometimes occurs during evening sailings. These spaces are perfect for socializing with other passengers or simply relaxing with a drink while watching the sunset over the Mediterranean. There are designated children's play areas that keep younger passengers entertained during the crossing. These spaces are well designed and safe, giving parents a chance to relax while kids burn off some energy. The play areas typically include games, toys, and sometimes even small climbing structures appropriate for ferry environments. Duty-free shopping is available on board, offering everything from local specialties to typical travel retail items. You can pick up Corsican or Sardinian products, French perfumes, Italian wines, or standard travel necessities. The shops are well stocked and prices are competitive with airport duty-free stores. Reading areas and quiet zones provide spaces for passengers who prefer peaceful activities during their journey. Many travelers use ferry time to catch up on reading, work on laptops, or simply enjoy some quiet contemplation while traveling between destinations. Do not expect elaborate spa facilities or wellness centers on these ferries. This is practical transportation, not a luxury wellness retreat. However, the absence of these amenities is reflected in the pricing, making ferry travel an excellent value proposition for budget-conscious travelers. The focus is on getting you comfortably from point A to point B rather than providing resort-style amenities. Some passengers actually prefer this approach, especially those who want to save money for experiences at their destination rather than spending it on onboard facilities they might not have time to enjoy. The ships do have basic medical facilities and trained staff to handle any health emergencies that might arise during crossing. Safety equipment and procedures meet all international maritime standards, so you can travel with confidence in the vessel's seaworthiness and emergency preparedness. If you are traveling with children, Corsica Ferries has put considerable thought into family-friendly features. The kids' play areas are just the beginning of what makes these ferries work well for family travel. Family cabins are available that can accommodate parents and children comfortably, often with bunk bed configurations that kids love. The informal atmosphere throughout the ship means children can move around freely without parents worrying about strict dress codes or behavioral expectations. Kids can be kids, which is refreshing for family travel. The dining areas accommodate families easily, with high chairs available and kid-friendly menu options. Safety features throughout the ship are designed with families in mind. Railings are appropriate height, deck areas have non-slip surfaces, and staff are trained to assist families with young children. The relatively short crossing times mean even restless children can handle the journey without too much difficulty. Many families use these ferries as part of larger road trip adventures, bringing their cars to explore Corsica or Sardinia at their own pace. The vehicle loading process is efficient and well organized, making it easy for families with lots of gear to travel comfortably. The ports of call are what make Corsica ferries truly special. You will sail between some of the most beautiful locations in the Mediterranean. From mainland France, ferries depart from Toulon and Nice, both gorgeous coastal cities worth exploring before or after your ferry journey. The Italian departure point of Savona provides access to the Italian Riviera. Corsican destinations include Ajaccio, the birthplace of Napoleon and capital of Corsica, and Bastia, a charming port city with Venetian influences. Both cities offer stunning architecture, excellent restaurants, and easy access to Corsica's famous beaches and mountain hiking trails. The island's unique culture, which blends French and Italian influences with distinct Corsican traditions, makes it a fascinating destination. Sardinia connections include Porto Torres, which provides access to this incredible Italian island known for its pristine beaches, ancient archaeological sites, and distinctive culture. Sardinia offers some of Europe's most beautiful coastline and clearest waters, plus fascinating historical sites dating back thousands of years. The ferry routes themselves offer spectacular scenery, especially when sailing near the Corsican and Sardinian coastlines. You will see dramatic cliffs, hidden coves, and crystal-clear waters that make the journey almost as rewarding as the destinations themselves. Looking at the overall experience, Corsica Ferries provides excellent value for travelers who understand what they are getting. This is not luxury cruise ship travel, and it does not pretend to be. Instead, it is efficient, comfortable, and affordable transportation that gets you to some of Europe's most beautiful islands without the high cost of flying or the limitations of not having your own vehicle. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this cruise, you can watch our best cruises playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.